What's going on, everybody? Tonight, I want to do a quick trade recap on a trade that I took today where I received a 170% return. And for this trade, I utilized one of Simpler Trading's newest members indicators, Tr3ndy Jon. I'm sure y'all have seen him. He's been a guest trader here for a very long time and now is here full time, bringing all of his goodies here to us. Little backstory before I talk about this trade. So I've known Tr3ndy for a long time, actually. Right after I got hired with Simpler Trading full time, Tr3ndy reached out to me on Twitter, and we had a little bit of small talk for maybe 3 months or so. I don't know, maybe even longer. And then before you know it, he's a guest trader at Simpler and so on and so forth. And basically, the reason I mentioned that is I've talked to him before he's joined Simpler is what I want to mainly talk about there. And our concepts in trading are relatively the same, but his system is very simplistic as far as finding the support and resistance levels. Because for me, like I was always using volume profile, if you didn't know that, things like that. But he has a unique way, and he coded a system to where you really don't have to worry about volume profile, but you can still find these levels. So I found that to be very unique and something worth sharing with y'all. And another thing we're telling y'all as well is, so like I said, I've talked to him for a very long time before joining Simpler Trading, and he's always told me, he's like, yeah, I charge people $3,000 for my indicators. I was like, man, and I've always wanted to try them, but I wasn't going to pay $3,000 for it. I always wanted to check them out, but I wasn't going to pay for it. I didn't want to. I was like, I don't know if I'm going to throw $3K at some indicators when my system already works. But the reason I mention that is because you can now get it for significantly less than $3,000, and you get his coaching repetitively, or consistently, I guess is what I say, not repetitively, but consistently. So if you're unaware, he does have a webinar tonight, which is June 7th. And you check out his webinar for free, just see what he's doing and see how it works. But I just want to give that little backstory, how he's been charging that much, sorry. And yeah, it's just a great thing, and I think everyone could utilize it regardless how you're trading. So let's go ahead and do the quick trade recap. Enough about that, and let's go ahead and talk about it. So I'm put my charts. All right, so for me, first let's talk about the trade. What was the trade that I did here? Okay, so I'll pull up my orders here. I came into this, the markets did have a pretty significant down day, right? Well, I say significant. The markets are finally starting to pull back. What I did put on today, and what I want to pull your attention to is, okay, these two trades right here. Or that's one trade. So I got into a 40.75, 40.80, 40.70 call butterfly for 65 cents. You see I got in at 12.40. And then I got out for $1.75, which is basically 169%. We'll call it 170 because it sounds cooler. But you get the point. It's a solid risk reward, right? So I was risking for one. I obviously had 4 contracts, but for these type of trades, I'm okay with risking about $200 to $300. But you see, nonetheless, risk $65 to make 175, right? So it's a pretty good, solid risk return. Now let's talk about the trade and how he's. I just wanted to show. So this is the trade I did. And we'll take note of this here. Got in at 12.40 and got out at 2.22 Central. All right, so now let's move this out of the way. All right, so what is the trade? What are his goodies, right? So let's go over here. We're gonna go ahead and maximize this here. So what I want to draw your attention to, and it's still doing it at this moment, right? So you see this box right here. Let me go ahead and change the color here. This box, and then this box. Those are his daily edges, basically. They're basically daily support and resistance, right? In a nutshell, daily support and resistance. So, and here is the entire day's price action. So basically what happened, right? I said 12.40. We can actually come over here real quick to, actually we'll go here. 12.40. What I'm doing is moving my mouse across. You see down here this time, go to 12.40. You see where I got in. So I'll get it down here, and what I want you to do is look over here where the crosshairs match. So when price was down into his edge, right? And at this point, it doesn't matter what system you use. Me personally, I use quick hits charts, and my rotation signal, whether it be EMAs or whatever you want it to be. Me, I have my trend rotation. I started to get dots right here and dots right here into the edge. So I was okay. I just targeted right here at the daily 21 EMA or the mid of his daily edge. So that is why I put on the 170, 175, 180 call butterfly. And so when price got into here, and I didn't get out until, what was it, 222? Right, and I know that was as price rallied up here to this for the second time up here to this little zone up here near the daily 21 EMA. So I'm gonna move this on over to 22. Okay, about right here, right? As it rallied up into the daily 21 EMA. So that's where I closed it. And the point is, what was the trade? All right, so I just want to do that so you know I got long into the edge and I targeted about this zone, right? So we came into an edge. I started to get my trend rotation. So if you have quant pivots, this is another tool you could add to your belt or toolbox, whatever you want to call it, right? Came in here, got my trend rotation. It did come up, but right here, it wasn't. I wanted to hold on to it because I wasn't sure if it was going to hold or not, right? And then as it came up to this moment right here is when I closed it for the last time. And obviously right here, we see we closed at 42.67. So yeah, that would have been a loss. That was a good close on my end. But nonetheless, you can see how support was holding, right? Or heck, maybe you could even put on an iron condor at that zone, however you would want to do it. But that was the trade. Into his edge, played that for a bounce, low risk, 65 cents, looking for it to hold. And if it would have just blasted through and fell, okay, cool, I could lose 65 cents. But you can see how it has its potential to pay for itself, right? I think it's great. I'm actually going to use this for day trading futures. I did it the other day, tried it out, and things of that nature. But that's the trade there. Hopefully it makes sense. If this trade did not make sense, please ask. I'll be more than happy to help you on how I used it. But like I said, it was this butterfly that I got in for 65 cents and closed it for $1.75. All right, if you're unaware where to find this gentleman, it is not that person. That is John Carter. Go right here. This dude, you actually go to simplertrading.com, right? And you could click right here to register. He has a webinar tonight going over his system and what he's bringing to the table. And you can see right here how he nailed a 22,000, 2,220, yeah, 2,200,000 home run. So, I mean, that's a pretty solid win in my book. All right, but that is the trade. I just wanted to bring that to your attention and just show you how you could use it. And like I said, like levels, everyone needs them. And he's been charging people a lot of money and people have been paying for them, but now you can have them at your disposal for a lot cheaper and you can go under his training in his trendy trading room is what they call it. But check out the webinar. It's free tonight. See what it has to offer. He's very transparent, good guy. Even like I said, even if after I've been talking to him all these, we'll say all this year, it's like a year and a half or so, he still would have given me access to his indicators because he's true to his customers, and that's a good thing to have on your end, right? But that's all I have for y'all. I hope you found this video helpful as a way you could utilize the trendy edges, or if you have the quick hits, it's another way you could utilize it as well. But that's all I have for y'all tonight. Have a great night, everyone, and I'll see you out the webinar. Take care.